My great-grandfather was a shepherd, my father too, and even my mother. I'm the fourth generation, so it's a tradition in my family. Yes, I do have a favorite animal, our four-legged shepherds, as we call our dogs. They're extremely important. Without them, it would be impossible to protect the herd from predators, and also to keep the sheep from running off. The dogs do the job better than anyone else. There have been a number of incidents this year. One night was particularly bad. We lost 13 sheep in one go, probably killed by a bear. Our dogs are our best protection against predators. We usually don't have to train the dogs. They learn everything they need to know from their parents, like how to behave out here in the meadows. When we arrive at a new site, the dogs patrol everywhere. They look behind every single bush to make sure the location is safe. Now they can relax.